Hi, I'm Kevin Jackson. I'm one of Trilio's Senior Solutions Architects. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the top 10 requirements for cloud-native data protection. It is no surprise that data creation and usage is growing exponentially. According to a Forbes report, data is created at a rate of 1.7 megabytes per second for every human on Earth. That's a staggering 35 zettabytes of data created in 2020. This data has a direct impact on your business. Knowing how your customers interact with you, or how your business is performing, and even how your market segment is performing is vital to the success of your business. If data is so vital that you rely on this, it of course needs protecting. At the same time, technology is changing and evolving to keep pace with demand. Moving to architecture that allows for continuous integration and continuous development is fast becoming the basic requirements to remain competitive in today's demanding, online-focused world. This, of course, has led to the evolution of cloud and cloud-native computing, with Kubernetes leading the pack in container orchestration. In 2020, the market for Kubernetes has grown 30% to $9 billion. The cloud-native world puts applications front and center where traditional siloed functional teams and processes slow your business down. This brings a shift of how you consume and store data. Traditional storage-centric management of data in Kubernetes architecture is woefully inadequate. A fundamental change is inevitable. With this in mind, let's look at the top 10 requirements for cloud-native data protection. Number 1. Application architectures have evolved. Monolithic applications are given way to loosely coupled architecture with contracts at a services level. Data is no longer stored centrally, and the goal is to get information and services as close to the end users as possible. Applications and data in Kubernetes can take either an application or namespace-centric view, and protection of this data must accommodate both. Number 3, applications are no longer identified by which server they live on. They're identified by labels and releases, with data separated from the metadata of the application. Having intelligent application discovery of objects and applications in a distributed portable architecture is the only way to provide backup of crucial data and metadata. Number 4, Kubernetes is about flexibility, efficiency, and portability, but this does not come at the expense of security. Through custom workflows and automated policies, security of your data is essential. Number 5, hybrid cloud architecture is a reality with Kubernetes, with many deployments deployed on-prem and in public cloud environments. Supporting the enterprise-centric but flexible NFS format coupled with API-based object storage is essential to this journey, satisfying enterprise requirements and scale-out storage needs. Number 6, it is well known that successful cloud journeys involve open format and infrastructure, so backing up using an open schema is vital. It allows for portability and longevity of access to your data with no vendor lock-in. Number 7, a backup is only as good as the restore. So a cloud-native backup solution must provide intricate control over restore operations. Number 8, data protection solution must readily allow metrics and endpoints to be exported to common monitoring and visualization tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, and Fluentd, and continuously evolve with newer products in this area. Number 9, ensure your backup solution has been tested and validated by industry experts and certified by key vendors such as Red Hat and IBM. Your backup data is there when you need it most, so it is vital it passes scrutiny to allow successful recovery. And lastly, number 10, data protection is not new, but the way we store and retrieve data is rapidly evolving. It is important as data continues to grow that this is handled as efficiently as possible. Thank you for listening to this brief overview on the top 10 requirements for cloud-native data protection. To find out more about Trilio, head over to trilio.io.